guys. It's already done. Yahoo! Let's eat, guys. Let's eat. Hey guys! Welcome back to our channel. Samira Yusa from the land of weak signal. You know that, guys. And by the way, if you're first time here on my channel, please hit the red subscribe button in there and hit the notification bell as well so that you are updated on my next video. And please guys, don't touch the skip ads. Putik na yung mga nabilitad ah. Guys, just let it play. Huwag niyo po pindutin yung aking commercial dyan, yung aking skip ads. Just let it finish. Alright? Thank you. And for today's vlog, guys, we're going to cook. Putik, nakalimutan ko pa. We're going to cook nilagang baboy. In a simple way. And as I have told you guys, I always want to cook food with vegetable. I always want it with vegetable. Like this. So, alright. We're gonna start to cook now. And by the way, intro first. Before anything else, we're going to make an intro. Okay? We're going to then cooking oil, a little bit cooking oil. Konti lang cooking oil. Konti lang. Kasi magmamatika na itong baboy eh. Yan. Let's saute our pork. Cover natin guys, cover natin. And guys, thank you for your love and support to my channel, for always watching my videos. Thank you so much. Thank you. You appreciate all what I did here on my channel. Thank you guys. Thank you for your love and support. Thank you. And I hope you like this one. Nilagang baboy. And this is for my breakfast, my lunch, and for my dinner. 3 times with rice. This is a very simple and easy recipe of nilagang baboy. Matikain muna natin. And thank you to all of you here watching my videos now. Thank you guys. Lagyan natin ating bawang. Sisip ang garlic. So, lagay natin yung ating ito, kinat ko lang ng nakalimutan ko pang nga pala, nilaga. Patatas, nakat ko siya ng ganyan. Yain na ako lang naman nakakain eh. Ayan, hindi ko na siya Okay, napakat lang napakat. Nakalimutan ko mga pala i-video ko nga pala dapat sana nagandahan ko yung niya, pag-slice ng potato. Ayan, and then lagyan natin ng ground black pepper. Alright, ground black pepper. So, and then capsicum. Put our vegetable. This is the vegetable that we're going to put. I always like it with vegetable. Ayan guys. Ganito ko lang siya niluluto. Alam ko may iba-iba tayong luto ng sinigang. Ay, ng sinigang tuloy. Ng nilaga, nilagang baboy. But, this is my own version of cooking nilaga. Alright, cover. And if you're first time here on my channel, guys, hindi ko pang nabitawan. Please hit the red subscribe button in there and hit the notification bell as well so that you're updated on my next film. And guys, don't touch the skip ads. Ay, nakalimutan ko siyang timplahan, Put a little bit of we have pork, we have potato. Tikman na natin. Gusto ko palaging pagkain ko may soup. Let's try. Tikman natin, guys. Wow. Parang feeling ko ang sarap ng niluto ko. Alright guys, thank you. Thank you for watching. Alright, sana nagustuhan niyo yung niluto ko. Okay. Alright guys, already done. Yahoo! Let's eat guys! That's it! Alright guys, we're done! I hope you like this. I hope you like what I cooked for today. This is for you. And thank you so much to all of you guys. Thank you for coming and thank you for always there to watch my videos and live stream. Thank you. I love you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye guys. Have a nice day and God bless everyone. Love you. Love you. Bye-bye.